How to make rose-scented perfume at home. A natural, long-lasting, and refreshing fragrance recipe. If you want to make a natural perfume at home, rose scent is the perfect choice, as it not only provides a pleasant fragrance, but also has calming effects on your skin. Rose petals and other natural ingredients come together in this homemade perfume recipe, offering a great option for those who prefer chemical-free perfumes. You can achieve a long-lasting scent while crafting your perfume naturally. Here's how to make your own rose-scented perfume at home. Required ingredients: 1 coffee cup of rose petals, half a cup of alcohol for perfume making, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of orange zest, 1 teaspoon of mint, 2 cloves, 1 cap of sweet almond oil. Instructions: 1. Combine the rose petals and alcohol in a container and let it sit for 7 days. This will allow the rose fragrance to infuse deeply into the liquid. Crew. In a separate pot, bring the water to a boil. Once it boils, add the orange zest, mint, and cloves. Let this mixture sit for 15 hours, allowing the refreshing ingredients to melt together. After the mixture has rested, strain it and combine it with the rose petal infused alcohol. Transfer the mixture into a clean glass bottle and let it sit in a cool place for about a week. Before using your perfume, add a few drops of sweet almond oil. This will enhance the long-lasting scent and help keep your skin moisturized. Benefits of rose-scented home perfume. This DI perfume making method not only freshens the air around you, but also provides skincare benefits. Rose scent has a soothing effect that can help reduce stress, while mint and cloves add a unique touch to your perfume. Orange zest boosts your energy and gives you a refreshing feeling throughout the day. Thanks to sweet almond oil, your perfume will harmonize with your skin, nourishing and softening it. This unique perfume is an excellent alternative for those seeking a chemical-free perfume. By making your own natural perfume recipes, you can create a fragrance that is entirely your own. The act of making perfume at home gives you the freedom to craft a scent that not only makes you feel special, but also leaves a lasting impression on those around you.